All right, what's up, y'all? I don't even know what to say. This man here and his wife, man, you know, I'm getting rid of one of my bikes, and it's sad to say it like that because really I'm extremely attached to this bike. However, I'm running out of space. I'm a little sad. But no, I'm a little sad. There's no way to put it, but this is Jada. Jada has been with me since 2014. And really, technically, this is the third S1000 because I wrecked the other two. So she's a little dirty. I haven't cleaned her up, but a lot of time, energy, and money is into this bike. Has some good power. Not going to say the power numbers because I don't want to disclose that, you know, the new owner. Yeah, I have no idea what I want after the fact. So when this leaves, I'm gonna be upset. But
About to leave. About to be gone.
But yeah, man. Yeah. So I don't even know. I don't have any. And then it has my little symbol on it. You know what I mean? That's when you know it's real. You know.
It's coming off.
Anyways, I'm sad. I have nothing else to say.